Hey there, future drivers. Let's talk car insurance. Specifically what covers your car when life throws you a curveball. Or should I say, a fender bender. You know those forms you fill out with more checkboxes than a standardized test? Yeah, those are important. Two biggies are collision and comprehensive, and they're like the dynamic duo of car insurance. But here's the catch. They usually only pay up to your car's actual cash value, or ACV. That's like your car's midlife crisis value. It ain't pretty. So what happens when you owe more on your car loan than your car is actually worth? Cue the dramatic music. That's where Gap Insurance swoops in to save the day. Gap Insurance isn't some fancy replacement for regular car insurance. It's more like that extra layer of protection you get, like wearing both a belt and suspenders. You know, just in case. Think of it as a financial safety net for when life throws a real lemon your way, like totaling your brand new car before you've even finished paying it off. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty of how it works, but just remember, Gap Insurance could be the difference between walking away from a car accident and walking away with a mountain of debt. And yeah, nobody wants that. All right, time for a quick Insurance 101. Comprehensive coverage is like your car's personal bodyguard against non-collision events. Think theft, vandalism, hailstorms, rogue squirrels hoarding nuts in your engine, you name it. Collision coverage, on the other hand, is your knight in shining armor for, well, collisions. Like when you accidentally mistake the gas pedal for the brake and end up playing bumper cars with the grocery store. It happens. Both coverages are essential, but remember, they only pay up to your car's depreciated value minus your deductible. That shiny new car smell wears off fast in the insurance world. Now let's talk about that gap. You see, when you finance or lease a car, you often owe more than the car is worth, especially in the early years. This is called negative equity, and honestly, it's like owing more on your pizza than it costs to make. If your car gets totaled, insurance speak for really messed up, your insurance will pay out the actual cash value minus your deductible. But if you still owe more on your loan, you're stuck paying the difference. That's where Gap Insurance swoops in with its cape billowing in the wind. It covers the gap between what your insurance pays and what you still owe on your loan or lease. No more financial cliffhanger. Let's say you finance a Tesla Model Y for $50,000. A year later, a rogue hailstorm decides to use your car for target practice, leaving it looking like a crumpled soda can. Your insurance, bless their cotton socks, determines the car's actual cash value is $40,000. They deduct your $1,000 deductible, leaving you with a cool $39,000. Not bad, right? Wrong. You still owe $45,000 on your loan? That's a $6,000 gap you have to pay out of pocket. Ouch. But wait, you wisely opted for Gap Insurance. It swoops in and covers that $6,000 difference, saving you from financial ruin. You can now use that money for something more fun, like therapy after that hailstorm trauma. Gap Insurance is like that friend who's always there for you, but only when you really need them. It's optional and usually not that expensive, especially compared to the potential financial headache it prevents. It's a good idea if you financed or leased your car, made a small down payment, have a long loan term, or drive a car with rapid depreciation. Looking at you, luxury SUVs. Some lenders even require Gap Insurance, especially for borrowers with less than stellar credit. And remember, you can often get better deals on Gap Insurance from your own insurer than from the dealership. Shop around. So, there you have it. Gap Insurance, the Robin to your car insurance's Batman. Remember, before you even think about ditching your full coverage, make sure you've got comprehensive, collision, and Gap Insurance in your corner. That way, you can cruise through life knowing you're protected, no matter what curveballs or rogue hailstones come your way.